Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Daily Dua, and today we're covering the dua for protection against the shaitans and the jinn. Now this is something that worries a lot of people. People tend to be very afraid of that which they do not know, and the information that people have of jinn and shaitans is sometimes quite limited and they get very scared. This is very natural. That being said, you should always remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the ultimate protector. He is the one that we go back to for refuge and protection. So as long as you are aware of that, inshallah ta'ala, you will be fine. The dua goes as follows. Rabbi a'udhu bika min hamazati shayateen wa a'udhu bika rabbi an yahdurun. This is a statement that is in the Quran, a verse from the Quran, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructed our Prophet to say, وَقُلْ رَبِّ أَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينِ وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ رَبِّ أَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ. Say, I seek refuge and protection from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the whispering and the suggestions of the devils. And I seek protection from my Lord of their presence. So you're asking Allah to protect you from their presence, them being near you, as well as suggesting and influencing you. This is something many people struggle with, and this is why it's important that we seek Allah's protection. This is not the only dua that you can read. You can of course read the final 2 chapters in the Quran as well, which are all dedicated to seeking refuge in Allah and asking Allah to protect you from anything that can really harm you. Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas. There are also other du'as that you can read, and this series covers some of the du'as, not all of them. But going back to what to say, always remember that you shouldn't be afraid to a level where it affects your life from the shaitans and the devils. Yes, they are around you, but read your adhkar, ask Allah to protect you, say the du'as that we shared, and inshallah ta'ala you will be fine. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.